What's good, all my beautiful people, all you queens, kings, and all those good things. Got a few shirts that I gotta make today, but I'm gonna let y'all tag along and follow me and watch me make one of them. That logo that you see behind me right there, we're gonna take that logo, put it onto this shirt. That logo belongs to one of my good brothers, my good friends, New Money. Well, he's transitioned into the new name, New Typa Money. He's an awesome Kingdom artist, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna post a link to his music at the end of this video in the description. So y'all be sure that y'all go check out his music, download all his free stuff, purchase his new stuff. He got an album that just dropped, you know what I'm saying? But y'all check him out. We about to get into the video, let y'all check out the process, and I'll be back at the end. Yay. Alright, so we're gonna pull the logo from here, drag it into our program. Vectorize it. Change that the logo. Just trace it. Looks good. Accept. Size up a little bit smaller. That'll work. It don't matter where it's positioned at on here, because it's gonna start from here. It's gonna cut from the left corner on the actual final. Alright. Send it to the cutter. Cut it now. Let y'all see. Alright.
What I mean, man, I'm eating up my ego, trying to kill my flesh today so I can turn to help my people, cause they are my motivation. I'm motivated by the peso. Storyline, yeah, on point, and I'ma beat the game without cheat codes.
Alright, so y'all got to see me bring the image into the software, vectorize it, size it up, shoot it off to my cutter, let the cutter do its thing. Now it's time for me to weed. We ain't talking about that weed. Weeding is removing all the unnecessary bound that's not going on to the final design once everything get pressed onto the shirt. So it's the part to take the longest, but somebody gotta do it. So y'all rock with me for just a little bit longer, man. We almost there. Alright? Yay.
What'd you say, love? Oh, you want me to give them a beat? You think they ready for that?
As you see, my Jedi powers are far beyond.
Hey, it's the preseason. I give you a reason to get up off that milk. Only me can be seasoned. Get up in that word. I ain't talking just reading it. Tap into the spirit. Walk in it and believe. It's the preseason. I give you a reason to get up off that milk. Only me can be seasoned. Get up in that word. I ain't talking just reading it. Tap into the spirit. Walk in it and believe. It's the season before the season of elevation. It's the season where I am getting a revelation. It's the season where I am giving out revelation. And it's the season before the season of devastation. I'm on my Jeremiah spitting these lamentations.
Alright, y'all, this is the final step. We want to preheat the shirt before we put the logo on there. Just a few seconds. Preheating takes out all the, leftover moisture that may be in the shirt. Dry everything out. Logo. Line it up.
He told me give you me. Take a break from the Twitter. He's saying follow me. And any other distraction that's causing you to be slacking in your passion for Yeshua and the Elohim. The preseason. I give you a reason to get up off that milk. Only me can.
I usually press about 15, 20 seconds. 20 for the most part, because I like to be extra sure with stuff that I do.
I give you a reason to get up off that milk. Only me can be seasoned. Get up in that word. I ain't talking just reading it. Tap into the spirit. Walk in it and believe it's the.
We can go ahead and peel it off. This is a hot peel.
Not physically, but spiritually, I don't
There it is. back over here. Alright, so y'all just got to check me out making a shirt from beginning to the end. Here go the finished product right here. That's clean, right? Appreciate it. So be sure y'all go check out my brother new Type of Money, his music. Like I said, I'm gonna put that in the description underneath the video and all that. I'm gonna also put a link for my Yay merchandise if y'all would like to purchase that. And for those who don't know what Yay means or what it stands for Yahweh allocates everything. Yahweh is Hebrew for God. Allocates means give purpose to. So everything that God creates or makes, he gives a purpose to. Everything has a purpose. And when y'all hear me mentioning God, I'm talking about the one true living God up there, not the one down there. I'm gonna make it crystal clear for you. Yay. Alright. If you got some custom work that you want to get done, you want to get put on a t-shirt, I'm gonna put all my contact info down there at the bottom. Look me up on Facebook, Alan Carmichael, Instagram, Platinum Grade 360, Twitter, Platinum Grade 360. You need any kind of graphic design work, hit me up, I got you. Business cards, flyers, logos, social media banners, whatever, all that. Alright. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. Yay.